Finding the right steel can make all the difference. Today, we dive into the fascinating properties of 11L17 steel and explore how it's used across various industries. 11L17 steel, a low-carbon alloy infused with trace amounts of lead and sulfur, offers exceptional machinability. This unique composition makes it a sought-after material for manufacturers who require high precision and efficiency in their operation. From complex automotive components to intricate machinery parts, 11L17 steel plays a crucial role in creating products that require tight tolerances and excellent surface finish. Its free machining properties enable smoother and faster machining, reducing production time and costs. The remarkable machinability of 11L17 steel not only enhances manufacturing productivity, but also ensures consistent and accurate results. This makes it an ideal choice for industries where precision and reliability are paramount. Aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive sectors, among others, rely on the performance and versatility of 11L17 steel. It has become a go-to material for applications such as gears, shafts, pins, and fittings. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we take pride in being one of the leading 11L17 steel suppliers. Our commitment to quality and precision sets us apart. We provide a wide range of 11L17 steel products, meticulously manufactured and tailored to meet your specific need. Our advanced manufacturing processes ensure that every 11L17 steel bar we produce meets the highest industry standards. With our team of skilled technicians and cutting-edge equipment, we deliver exceptional products that exceed expectations. As trusted 11L17 steel suppliers, we understand the importance of reliability and consistency in your manufacturing operations. That's why we are dedicated to delivering the highest quality materials, precisely machined to your specifications. If you're in search of top quality 11L17 steel and a supplier you can trust, contact O'Hare Precision Metals today. Visit our website for more information and to explore our comprehensive range of steel solutions.